Hello guys, welcome to Color Diaries by Tanu.
Today I am going to show you how we can do a neon eye look. It will be a perfect makeup when you want to click some amazing pictures. You can carry this look with Western as well as traditional wear. So let's get started. The very first thing is our eyebrows. I am filling my eyebrows with Swiss Beauty Eyebrow Palette. You can use the dark brown shadow from your eyeshadow palette as well. You can choose the color according to your hair tone and skin tone too. Use an angular brush to make sure you give a nice shape to your brows. Now, I am using Foera concealer to enhance my eyebrows. Concealing your eyebrow edges is very important step. With the same concealer, I am covering my eyelid and blending it. Now, I am applying the neon shade from my palette. Apply it in a semicircle shape. So, you can use loose pigments for a more vibrant look. Now I am blending it with a lighter shade of the same neon color. Now blend it with yellow shade to give a gradient look. I am using Mars Cosmetics gel eyeliner and a small angular brush to draw a wing. Now I am applying Mars Cosmetics blue gel eyeliner on my waterline and blending it with blue shadow only. Apply the highlighter on the brow bone and inner corner of the eye. Here I am using Maybelline highlighter. Now apply the mascara. I am using Mars Cosmetics mascara. Apply falsies. It is done. Now flaunt your neon eye look with a nude lip shade and a glossy finish. You can use other neon shades as well with the same methods. Please do try it and please let me know what you think about this look in the comments section. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram.